What if you could create stunning, professional, quality AI images in less than a minute without any design skills? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using Flow AI. Welcome back. Today, we're learning how to create amazing AI images with Flow AI, from writing the perfect prompt to generating realistic cinematic artwork. Whether you're a beginner or a content creator, this guide will help you get better results every time. Step 1. Open Flow AI and start a new project. Step 2. Select image generation. Step 3. Write a detailed prompt. For example, a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, cinematic lighting, ultra realistic, 8K, highly detailed. Step 4. Choose your aspect ratio. 1:1 for Instagram posts, 16:9 for YouTube thumbnails, 9:16 for shorts and reels. Step 5. Select your preferred style, such as realistic, cinematic, anime, or 3D. Step 6. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Step 7. If needed, improve your prompt and regenerate until you're happy with the result. Step 8. Download your final image in the available quality. That's how easy it is to create incredible AI images with Flow AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the